Always update your statistics and data of your company. Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Social media marketing hack number 5 is to always update in real time the statistics and data for your company. Customers are always interested in your real-time progress. They are always eager to know whether your business is progressive, stagnant, or dwindling and falling. This can be achieved by regularly posting statistics and data regarding the progress of your business. On most occasions, internet users, especially social media users, find it interesting to know that their contributions on your products or services have positive impacts on your sales. It is therefore important to provide this information to them on a regular basis. Additionally, never hesitate to tell your audience whether your company's statistics go the negative. I'm pleased to tell you that our DIY campaigns continue to be extremely successful, and my email list for DIY products has grown to more than 6,500 members. Although I had initially run this campaign only as a way to exercise some done-for-you campaigns, it was so successful that I've continued to feed it and advertise it on social media with solo ads and Google AdWords ads. I'll be doing a video about these ad campaigns in the near future. Stay connected to me, subscribe and hit that little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, life is good.